Good morning, friends. In the previous conference, we have discussed about the financial system as well as the banking system in India, right? Today, let us discuss about the different types of banks. So if you see these different types of banks, in the modern banking in India originated in the mid of 18th century. So among the first banks were the Bank of Hindustan. This Bank of Hindustan was established during 1717. At the same time, if you see the Central Bank of India, it was established during 1786. But due to some reasons, it failed during 1791. Before that, we must know about the meaning of bank. What is bank? A bank is a financial institution. If it is a financial institution, at the same time, it is a financial intermediary also because it accepts the deposits as well as it is considered as a channel of deposits into lending activities, either directly by loaning or indirectly through some capital market. Right? Now, let us concentrate on the types of banks. So there are some different types of banks. Mainly, there are 8 types. One is central bank, second one is cooperative bank, third one commercial bank, fourth one regional rural banks, fifth one local area bank, sixth one specialized banks, seventh one small finance bank, and the eighth one is payment bank. Right? Let us concentrate one by one. First, we will discuss about the central bank. The central bank is a financial institution or it is a public institution. This public institution normally manage all the currencies of our country. At the same time, it controls the money supply also. The money supply meaning all of us know it is the total circulation of money in the country, right? So the main aim of this central bank is price stability. They want to stabilize the price in our economy. That is the main aim of central bank. Then the Reserve Bank of India is considered as the central bank in our country, right? Now, let us discuss about the various functions of a central bank. So the main function of the central bank is currency regulator or it is the bank of issue because they are issuing the currency as well as notes. So this is the first function. And the second function, it is considered as the bank to the government. Next one is it is the custodian of cash reserve. It is the custodian of international currency also. At the same time, it is the lender of last resort. Then it is clearing house for transfer as well as the settlement. The next function is it is a controller of credit, and finally it gives some safety to the depositor's interest. These are the different functions of central bank, right? Then let us concentrate on this cooperative bank. What is cooperative bank? See, it is a financial entity established on a cooperative basis as well as belonging to their members. So this means the customers of a cooperative bank are also its owners. So these banks normally provide a wide range of regular banking as well as financial services. Now, let us concentrate on the functions of cooperative banks. This cooperative bank normally provides financial assistance to all the people with the small means as well as it gives safety to them from latches of money lenders because they are providing loans as well as other services at a higher rate of expenses of the living. At the same time, it supervises as well as it guides affiliated societies also. The next function of this cooperative bank is rural financing. So it provides financing to the rural sectors like cattle farming, crop farming, catching at comparatively low rates they are financing. Next function is urban financing. It provides financing for small scale industries, personal finance, home finance also. At the same time, it mobilizes the funds from its members as well as it provides interest on the invested capital. Now, let us concentrate on the different objectives of cooperative banks. The main objective of this cooperative bank is to provide rural financing as well as microfinancing. At the same time, it tries to remove as well as dominance of money lenders as well as middlemen. The next objective is to provide credit services to the agriculturalists as well as weaker sections of the society at comparatively lower rates. The next objective is to provide some financial support as well as personal financial services to the small scale industries, housing financial assistance. Then the next objective is to provide basic banking services to its members. And finally, it tries to promote the overall development of rural areas. Now, let us concentrate on these commercial banks. The commercial bank, in the sense, it refers to a financial institution. This commercial bank also accepts deposits. It offers checking account services, makes various loans also. And moreover, it offers basic financial products like certificates of deposit as well as the saving accounts to the individuals as well as the small businesses, right? Then again, there are three types in this commercial bank also. One is public sector bank, second one is private bank, and the third one is the foreign banks. The public sector bank, in the sense, these banks have been established by the country's government. The major stakeholders is the government. So in most of the cases, these banks operate under the country's central bank only. So what is the private bank? The private banks are normally their major share capital with some individual persons as well as some private businesses. Therefore, there are some limited liability companies. Then let us concentrate on these foreign banks. So these banks are banks with headquarters in a foreign country. So their headquarters are available in this foreign country and their branches in different parts of the world, right? So these foreign banks play a great role in helping support the economic standing of the country, apart from serving the financial need of its people. The next type is regional rural banks. These regional rural banks are normally Indian scheduled commercial banks operating at a regional level in different states of India. So they have been created with a view of serving primarily the rural areas of India with basic banking and financial services. Now, let us concentrate on these functions of regional rural banks. So, listen very carefully. So if you see the functions of regional rural banks, actually it is a scheduled commercial bank. So the primary function is accept deposit as well as distribute some loans to the people, right? And apart from these, the main function, again it accepts deposits. Second function is loan extension. Third function, wage disbursement. And the fourth function is secondary functions of regional rural banks. See, it accepts deposits because these RRB accepts deposits from their members who hold an account in the bank. At the same time, deposits can be made in current account or it can be made in saving account also. So the depositors can also maybe in fixed or recurring form. The loan extension is the next function. Wage disbursement is the another one function. So wage disbursement in the sense sometimes they are distributing the wages. See, for example, if you see these MGNREGA, that is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, or any pension schemes are available. So here the wages are distributed with the help of these banks only. And apart from these three functions, the main function is secondary functions of RRB. So similar to these commercial banks, the secondary functions of these regional rural banks in India are providing agency services as well as general utility services to the customer. What is the meaning of agency services? It may be foreign exchange or bill payments or money wire transfer. These are considered as the agency services. Then what is the meaning of general utility services? It may be ATM or UPI or debit card issue or locker facilities like that. These are considered as the utility services. Then the next bank is local area bank. These banks are normally set up by the Government of India with the purpose of enabling the local institutions to pool as well as mobilize the rural savings and ensuring that these savings are made available for investment concerning needs. Then the sixth type of bank is local area bank in India. So the first one is the Coastal Local Area Bank Limited. Second one is Capital Local Area Bank Limited. Third one, Krishna Bima Samruddhi Local Area Bank Limited. Then the last one is Subhatra Local Area Bank Limited. Then the next type is specialized bank. These banks are normally defined as some of the banks that are banking operations that serve as a specific type of economic activity. Mainly, there are three types in these specialized banks. One is Export Import Bank of India. Second one is Small Industries Development Bank of India. And the third one is National Bank for Agricultural and Rural Development. And the eighth type is Small Finance Banks. The Small Finance Bank is a banking segment. It was created by Reserve Bank of India under the guidance of Indian government. The main aim of this small finance bank is financial inclusion. See, by providing basic banking services to the unorganized sector, as well as micro, small, or medium enterprises, small as well as marginal farmers and small business units, they are providing some services. So the main function of these small banking or the small finance banks are provision of saving vehicles. At the same time, supply of credit to small business units, small as well as marginal farmers. Then the next type is payment bank. See, a payment bank in the sense it is also like other banks, but operates on a smaller scale without involving any credit risk. It is known as payment bank. So simply we can say that it can carry out most banking operations, but it cannot advance loans or issue credit cards. So it can accept demand deposits up to 1 lakh. They can offer remittance services, mobile payments, ATM services, debit cards, so that is net banking as well as third party fund transfer. And finally, we are going to discuss about the functions of commercial bank. So the main function of commercial bank is accepting deposit, advancing loans, credit creation, financing foreign trade, agency services, and some other services to the customer. Students, these are the important things we have discussed in the today's class. Thank you.